What if I told you something that you use every day is putting toxins in your body and could be detrimental to your health? Would you stop using it? What if I told you it's your deodorant? Would you stop using it? Now, most of us would never leave our home without deodorant for fear of smelling like sour milk. So today I'm going to show you how to make your own all-natural, chemical-free deodorant. You know, most conventional deodorants and antiperspirants contains toxic chemicals like aluminum, parabens, propylene glycol, and triclosan, and that's just to name a few. Aluminum is linked to dementia, Alzheimer's, breast cancer, liver and kidney issues, dry skin, fatigue, learning disabilities, low immune system, brain fog, skin problems, ulcers, anemia, and behavioral problems. And parabens, it disrupts your hormones and can cause issues with your reproductive systems. Propylene glycol can cause neurological issues, and triclosan can cause so much harm to your immune system. Now, making your own natural deodorant is cost effective, and you know every ingredient in it. So let's go. Let's do this. So we're using pure unrefined shea butter, pure unrefined coconut oil, arrowroot powder, baking soda, bentonite clay for its antibacterial properties, beeswax, and essential oil, a pure essential oil of your choice. So we're going to need to boil this down. You can put it in a double boiler if you have one. I don't, so we're going to use a pot of water and boil it with an oven-safe bowl. You're going to boil it down for about 10 minutes, add in your beeswax, and stir until everything melts down. You're going to put everything together and mix well, and then I have a deodorant jar from Amazon, or you can use an old jar. Pour everything together. I refrigerate it for a while, and there you go. And look, when you put it on, it goes on clear.